I think the foundation of our company is really our people. It's really all about people, and there's nothing really more important to me.
You know, Andrea really exemplifies is taking care of her employees. And I think what that does is that just instills in us to go out and take care of the customer.
She wants the best for her customers, the absolute. And I really truly believe it elevates everybody that comes here.
You know, people expect great customer service. We call it red carpet service here at Crisafulli Brothers. And that's really what we strive for on every single service call.
They should feel like they are the most important person to that technician, to our company, whether it be a CSR, receptionist, in the world for that moment.
We're not just there because of the money. We're there to help. We're there to solve their problem. We're there to service whatever they need. We go there and make them feel that everything is taken care of.
The level of attention and detail that I think we bring to the table is unlike any company in the area or any service trade in the area.
We really aren't about selling, we're about solving people's problems. And that's what really matters to us.
Our technicians do a fantastic job at finding the right solutions for the right customer at the right time.
You know, we're not selling a box, we're selling a solution. And if we do a good job of probing and asking questions about your lifestyle, then our solution is really going to make a difference in your life.
When I go to the customer and they have a problem, and if I can't solve it, I can't sleep at night. What I do is I go home, I don't go to sleep, I find a solution, and then before I go home, I tell customer that I will be coming back here, I will be getting the right parts, materials, and I make sure, Crisafulli makes sure that when I come back here, you'll be all happy. So that's what I do.
I think the public expects a certain level of service and they have a certain expectation. So we really train and work with our team members.
Whether it be the military, a football team, a baseball team, they're training a lot more than they're playing. We have adopted that, just train, and always reinforcing good habits and promoting even better than good habits.
We're what everybody should be. Everybody should be operating at that level, honestly. People that come into your home, you trust them in your home, they should be the best that you can find, and everybody should take it that seriously.
We even sometimes go home like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock just to get it done, but at the end of the day, we go home, we put a smile on our face with the customer, and we're happy.
And we have the resources and the breadth of knowledge and the depth in our organization. I don't think there's anything in the region that someone in this company hasn't been challenged with and been able to provide a solution for.